guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Zenosha. For those who are new here, don't forget to subscribe because I'm sharing all the cute things. Today I'm sharing a brand called Cuts. I heard about them about a year ago, but I've never tried them. They really specialize in t-shirts and basic tops. Basically pieces you can wear in your closet every day, pieces that are really versatile, but also really simple and classic. They actually sent me a package with a bunch of tops and I was pleasantly surprised at the quality. I know I preach this all the time, but the quality of your basics makes a huge difference. They're gonna be the pieces you wear all the time. You're gonna wash them all the time. So you really want them to be high quality. And I feel like it's worth the money because you're gonna wear them all the time and you won't have to repurchase. And it ends up saving you a lot of money in the long run. So from first impression, I could tell the quality was top tier. They're t-shirts, but they're very thick. The fabric, not like too thick, but like you can tell it's like a heavier fabric, like a more quality fabric that they're using. So I'm gonna take all the pieces I have and style them in different ways and show you how versatile basics can be. All right, let's get into it. So the first piece is actually this top that I'm wearing. It has a high neck and the back is really cute too. I love how it's cut in the back. This is more of a structured fabric. It has ribbing, it's thick, it kind of sucks you in, holds you up. I'm not wearing a bra, so that's a bonus. And I had 2 kids, so that's kind of a big deal. I just styled it with this maxi skirt, and I probably throw on a pair of sneakers with it, a sweater, and a beanie. So I throw on these Sambas, little sweater, it's a little beanie. So yeah, it's really casual. I love pairing this skirt in different ways. I feel like a skirt like this you think is like dressed up, but I love dressing it down with sneakers. The thing about basics is they're really good layering pieces. And obviously this top is great for summer and spring as well without layering it. But this is how I would style something like this. So the next piece is this basic long sleeve top. It has some stretch to it, but also some structure that really kind of hugs your body nicely. This is definitely a top you can work out in or just wear every day. For me, it's like I can never have too many long sleeve tops, especially in the fall and the winter. It's like my uniform. Long sleeve top, jeans, go. I styled it with some leggings, some sneakers. I'm obsessed with chunky socks, by the way. I just feel like that's my jam. Throw them on with sneakers and I feel like it looks so cute with any outfit. I would throw it on with a hat and a big puffer. I'm obsessed with this coat and I feel like this is the perfect winter uniform. I already know I'm gonna wear this all the time. Next is just this t-shirt. Obviously it's just a t-shirt, but like I said, when you feel it and you see it, you can tell like it's definitely higher quality. This brand started out with men's, and you know men's t-shirts are always like nicer than women's, so I feel like they managed to capture that for the women's when they started making women's wear. You can't go wrong with the t-shirt and jeans. I throw on my Birks and I probably throw on a hat and just a little puffer coat. Yeah, super easy, simple, and I'm ready to go. This t-shirt obviously comes in other colors and I have it in brown as well, and I wanted to show you a different way I would style it. So I have it on with a denim maxi skirt, then I throw on some boots with it, and maybe a denim jacket, and maybe a hat. I could do with or without the hat. I feel like the hat kind of makes it a little bit more casual, but I just wanted to show the versatility of just a basic t-shirt. Then the last piece I received that I wanted to style was just a basic white t-shirt. This one's a little different than the other t-shirts because it has some stretch to it. It's a little bit more fitted to the body. Pairing it with these sweats that I love, some Sambas. I throw on a red hat just for some pop of color, and then the same puffer coat. This outfit's definitely so comfy. Definitely screams mom on the go, and just another simple way you can style your basics. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful for you to show you how versatile basics can be and how important they are in your wardrobe. Honestly, I'll buy all these crazy pieces that I love, that are kind of out there and exciting, and then on my day-to-day I wear a t-shirt and just really simple pieces, and I realized how important it is to just always have these in my closet. You will always wear them, they will never go out of fashion, and they will always be a staple in your closet. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.